This inspection is for the purpose of briefing all AROs and other stakeholders like media team, police, CAPF, which is guarding the entire strong rooms and control center, our counting center, about various arrangements that we have made. And in fact, we have made elaborate arrangements for the purpose of counting, which includes smooth counting of machines and postal ballot counting for all 7 districts to be conducted here, and also detailed law and order arrangements so that there should not be any untoward incident counting center, and to ensure that only authorized people are only allowed to be entered into the counting. There is a separate dedicated media cell also has been created. We have briefed the media team also to ensure that media can have real-time access to information, so that the information sharing would be in a continuous and transparent manner. And we have set up we will be setting up a separate screen for media to access, and up to this media center we will allow media people to take mobiles also, so that for any other communication from there, media will be able to share this. So one company of CAPF is here, but outer
Deputy Commissioner manong ban nongsha egano no bajing lom pai ba jing pai ba ka sautrik ka blom rasmi new board nam naga election MP sha ka sabha ko aru ban pau ban ka por ka ban nakaleng ka ju party e community adien ke jing fo ong ai ban nakaleng Deputy Commissioner on Shimkia Bat Ban Wengno yakni ka hukum ka bolo kimi Bat Ban Island yaki pai ba nong song snow bakin lek sha kani ka jaga new boat Badru Bahadin jong ka result kibayo ya ka jingjob kinyo ban lekmen ban shatmen Badru ban pau ya kata ka jing smokemen ka juki Tendrei kalau ka basosi ban iba nagaleng jong Deputy Commissioner lapan pa bo namla ban weng ya kata ka hukum da ka ba ai daw ya ka jing khapnya ka jing dhengkali bat kum juru bayo kami kanu ka kunrum ka kanram kalong gei ke ka basmo thamula ba khlak tang ha ka sautrik ba kita ki bor penya ki smokhya ya ka jing dhengkali ki pai ba hakani ka rigajing ba khamtam hakano ba shlong ki mart ye ka jing dhengkali ka ba man laga si namar ka jing bamla ka jong ki bor penya bakin penya bet penya renti ya ka kam ka ba ki dei ban penya hakani ka liang ba hakani ka penta ban ongru ba kan mi kanu ka kanam kalong tang ka jing persang bandar rabjot ya ka jing thmu ka bari ka jong ki ka ba dei tamaki ki betip ke inga daw ba panoy ki bakin impose lani bakin penmi ya gani ka hukum te kaseng kala dep anai ka jithok ko magalong bat ngiyeng ha ka norim banginom la ban pediang bat nyen mi bet kum ki pai ba nong krishan jong ka Voice of the People Party ban lech ka jaka nyobot bat kum bangi community bangin yo ya ka jingjok ha ka ni ka election MP da ka jing krishan shedham jong pai ba ngin ye lekmen ini shat menru da ka akor ka burom ka jingong tipri to play bat ni nam sha ye no ban khang la dei na mar ka ta daw lingba ka ni ka khubor na kwa ban kentu ye ki pai ba ngem dei ban pen snap ye ki ba kum ki ki hukum ki ba persang tam ban khang la ya ka jingi ekmen ka jingi kum kita ki pai ba ki bla da ban ai ka jing ka sha Hagibide bakanik election MP kabladep. Dan nagaliang gajui kum kinong elam. Yen mi bangi kentu yaki pai ba bakim day ban pensngap. Ya ki bakum gini ki kendon ki badon tang gajing tmu. Ban khangla yangi bangin lek kemen. Lani yaki nugi nugi bakwa ban lek kemen hagani kesni jong.